Hi there, students. To sear, a verb. Searing, an adjective. Searingly, an adverb. Okay, so to sear means to burn, to scorch the surface of something with sudden intense heat. So if you see the steak in the thumbnail, or a steak, normally it's got these lines seared on it. Okay, so to sear, to burn or to scorch the surface of something. It was a searingly hot day, burningly hot. To scorch, to burn, to singe, to char. Yeah. Okay. The fire seared the outside of the building. Okay. So to burn the surface of something with very sudden, very strong heat. The heat from the gas exploding seared his hands. Okay. They were seared. They were burnt. You can also sear a piece of meat, to fry very, very quickly at a very high temperature. Okay, you sear the outside surface, yeah, at a very high temperature. So particularly, you sear a steak. Yeah, the steak was seared on both sides. There were lines seared on it. I seared my hand on a piece of hot metal. Yeah, it's going to leave a scar. And then you can use this metaphorically, like burned into your memory or burned into your mind. So the image of him naked was seared into my mind. It was seared into my memory. Yeah, it was something that would never go away. It was something that it was like branded into my memory. Okay, so to sear, to char the surface of, to scorch, to burn. Yeah, so I opened the oven and the heat seared my fringe. Yeah, has that ever happened to you? Or you sear meat, you use very high heat to brown the outside very quickly. And then something that is seared in your memory or seared in your mind, something that causes you an emotional pain, an emotional trauma, and you're never going to forget it. The bad experience that he had seared his mind in a way that he would never be the same. Okay, he would always remember this because of the emotional intensity. Yeah, this is seared into the nation of the memory. Sorry, the memory of the nation. Okay, so to sear. Okay, you could mark permanently as if by burning. Okay, yeah, so as I said, I seared my hand. The steak is seared as well. The events of that day were seared eternally into my memory. Fix an image in somebody's memory permanently. Yeah, that was a memory of my childhood that is seared there forever. Okay, so sear. Yeah, to burn, to mark, to scorch, to burn the surface off, to brand with a hot iron. Yeah, the brand was seared into his arm or seared into his chest. Okay, so formality, to sear. 5 in formality, use it anywhere. Notice the adjective searing, very hot. Yeah, it was a searing day. It was a searingly hot day. Just extremely hot, as figuratively imagining it, it's burning you. As to formality, I would give these words a 5 in formality. Use them absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, well, the old meaning of sear is to dry up or to wither. yeah, to dry something up completely. And the word sear comes from Proto-Germanic sauzaz, meaning dry, which comes from Proto-Indo-European shoes or hues, again meaning dry or parched. Okay, so I can see how they've come together. Okay, so to sear. Enough. I hope the meaning of sear is seared in your memory. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Sear.